Hello, in this video we will make snap clips with the faux sheet. For this you need two strips that are 5.7 centimeter long and 2 centimeter wide. I want to mention here that I am using here a snap clip that is 5 centimeter, so I will be taking the length of these strips 5.7 centimeter so they can completely cover these snap clips. For this you need two strips, one for the upper layer of the snap clip and other for the bottom one. After cutting these strips, you need to make a slit in the bottom layer. We will cut it at 1 centimeter distance, little slit that we will be using to slip the snap clip through it. Now push it as much as you can from this slit and then just glue it with the hot glue gun, or you can use any other glue. And then close the snap clip, and then you have to glue it with the upper layer of the strip. After applying the glue, you have to stick both of these layers together so they are stick properly, and then do the same with the other part and then stick it together. Press it properly and then you are good to go with your snap clip. Let it dry first, then you can open and close it so it is properly stick together. Both of the layers are properly stick together. Now I made another one with the glittered sheet and mat on the bottom. So this is the second one, and yeah, if you like my video, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.